Okay, so what I was going to try and hit some of the trouble spots on the volumes of pyramids and cones worksheet. So here, one of the problems that gives people trouble on this worksheet is number 15. Okay, so it says a triangular pyramid. So I've drawn us a triangular pyramid with a height here of 4.8 and a right triangle base. So I'm going to erase that height just because it's kind of in our way. So there's our right triangle base. Okay, and one leg is 5 centimeters and the hypotenuse is 10.2 centimeters, right? And so the volume for a triangular pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times height. So the height part we have, that's the 4.8. What we need is that area of the base, and we know for a triangle area is 1/2 base times height, and then we're going to say times the 4.8 for the height of the pyramid. So since I don't know my height of my right triangle base, I can't find the area, so I'm going to have to go solve for that in my side work. I'm going to do the Pythagorean theorem. Right, so that's 5 squared plus height squared equals 10.2 squared. Okay, and so that's 25 plus height squared equals 104.04. We subtract the 25 from both sides. I'm not going to write in, I'm running out of room. And we get h squared to be 79.04. And so the square root of 79.04 comes out to be approximately 8.89. So let's plug it in. 1/3 times 1/2. Base of my triangle is 5. 8.89044. Make sure you use all those decimals in your calculator. Times the height of the pyramid is 4.8. And that comes out to be 35.56 for your volume. And that was centimeters cubed. The next one that gives folks trouble sometimes is number 26. So what you have is two cones sharing a base. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the volume of the yellow cone and the volume of the blue cone and then just add them together. So for both of these, our formula is 1/3 pi r squared h. And it looks like for both of them, our radius is 5. For the yellow one, our height is 7. And for the blue one, our height is 11. So this is 1/3 pi times 5 squared times 7. And this one is 1/3 pi times 11 squared times, 5 squared times 11. Okay, and then we're going to put those in our calculator. Okay, so the first one comes out to be 183.259, and the second one comes out to be 287.979, and then you add those together and you get 471.2 inches cubed.